Hello, this is Balaji. Now we're going to see about basics in Excel. For that, we have to open the new blank worksheet. Now we're going to see about the basics in worksheet is data validation for particular cell. This is a particular cell. For that, we have to validate any value, particular value only. This cell should be accept. That will be we can set by using data validation. For that we have to go to data and we have to see one tab is data validation tab. But you click that, it shows that validation criteria. So for particular this cell you have to give the validation criteria. If it default it will be in any value, so it will be this cell accept any value, the value will accept. Now we're going to change that into whole number. This cells we have to change the validation for the cell to whole number. So in that we have to select the whole number. It will be open the data drop down. So here we have ranges for the whole number, from which range to which range it will be accept for particular cell. That will be we can define. For that we have to between means we have to select minimum value to maximum value. Whole number we have to select. So I will given 50 as minimum value and maximum value is 100. So we have to put OK. Means it will be only accept 50 to 100 value only, whole number. If we give any other value means it will be give error. So I will give 50 means it will be accept. If I will give less than 50 means it's asking this value does not match the data validation restriction defined for this cell. Yeah, I will give between 50 to 100 means this cell will be accept. I will give 75 means this cell will be accept. I greater than 50 and less than 100 it will be accept. If I give less than 50 and greater than 100 it won't accept. So this is for a whole number validation. And next we have to change between any condition we have to give. Not between means we have to 50 to 100 it won't accept. Less than 50 and greater than 100 will be accept. So not between means this condition less than 50 and greater than 100 will be accept. So we have to equal to means the value only one value only accept. Equal value 50 only this cell will accept, other value it won't accept. And we have to not equal to, if you have to give 50 it if the value is not equal to 50 means it won't accept. Greater than means minimum value. Greater than 50 will be only this cell will be accept, and less than 50 won't accept. And less than maximum value will be less than 50 will be accept, maximum value will be accept. So likewise we have to select the particular cell condition by data validation. Next one is we see about the decimal means here also only decimal number only accept, floating numbers are not accept. So there's a decimal allow for data validation. And next one, list is for particular cell we have to give some list of values. I give 1 comma 2 comma 3. So here the cells are in drop down, the values are in drop down list. If you have to give this means this cell will be as this list of data in drop down list. Whatever the data we have to give, and that will be in drop down list. We have to select any value, 1 2 3, any value you have to select. So next one is for only for particular cell we have to do means the next one is we have to do is date means we have to give the date between which value to which value. Starting date we have to give, and we have to give ending date. starting date and ending date we have to give. And next one is time. The time will be the between the particular time will be accept. The time format will be we have to given. So time will be given accept. Next one is text length. Next one is text length. So here also we have to given the text, the maximum text and minimum text value we have to give. Maximum text value is 2 and the minimum text value is 2 and maximum text value is 10, means we have to in between this value only don't this cell is accept, other values you don't accept. I give that. So yeah, type any text between 2 to 10 it will accept. I will give type only A, means till the value does not match the validation data validation restriction defined for this cell. The error will be generated. So validation will be given for making the uh, particular cell which data it will be accept, which data it won't accept. That will be, so if all value is selected, means it will be accept all the values. If I type one decimal value or floating value, float value, any value, I type pen any value it will accept. Default it will be in any value. We have to select multiple value for a condition, means for particular cell we have to use data cell. For more than one cell we have to do the condition, means we have to select the cell and we go to data validation and we have to type I taken the list validation. So I will type 1 comma 2 comma 3. I will give OK. So you have to see that every selected cells will be have drop down list. All the we have to select the cells drop down list in the all the selected cells are in drop down list will be getting. Okay. Likewise, we have to validate the particular cell. So this is the one of the main tips in Excel for doing validation for particular sheet. So thank you for watching.